Excellencies, dear colleagues and friends, the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us many painful lessons with severe disruptions to many sectors, including tourism. I'm pleased that this year's General Assembly is focusing on investments and education, two pillars at the core of recovery from the pandemic. Investing in prevention and preparedness in all sectors, including tourism, will help to mitigate the impact of future health emergencies on societies and economies. WHO also shares UNWTO's commitment to drive sustainable development through education. The WHO Academy, WHO's Institute for Lifelong Learning, is developing training to support health workers to be better prepared for future epidemics and pandemics. More than 50 years ago, countries adopted the international health regulations to govern the global response to outbreaks and minimize the impact on travel and trade. COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated why the IHR are important, but also that they must be updated. That's why WHO's member states are now negotiating amendments to the international health regulations alongside a new pandemic accord to strengthen the legal framework for the global response to pandemics. I urge you to support these negotiations to protect both health and the tourism industry from future shocks. Thank you all for your commitment and partnership for a healthier, safer, fairer world.